Digital hot foil stamping machine. Automatic foil printing machine. CY360A. Fast printing speed. Motherboard adopts new intelligent quad-core CPU frequency conversion control, completely solve heat accumulation of printhead. Prolong the service life of the printhead more than 5 times. Imported 300 HD printhead. Support all the typing software under Windows system. Simple to operate, ultra low power, no noise, able to choose various foil colors. Plateless. Print directly the hot stamping effect. Real USB output. Performance is stable. Print direct from computer. Greatly reduce the printing cost. Using the best printhead Japan Rome, high precision thermal printhead, high quality assurance. Support Windows main software, CorelDRAW, AI, Photoshop, PDF etc. Applicable medias, paper, PV card, leather, sticker, fabric, plastic dot etc. How to set up this machine. How to operate this machine. Power on machine. Connect USB. Click it. Let printhead up, feed the materials, and flatten the materials. Now, install the USB driver on your PC. Find the printer driver. Set up printer driver and set up the paper size. Open CorelDRAW. Design any letters, logos, image for printing. Set up printer property. And set up paper size as same as USB driver paper size. Now, click it to print.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.